Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Nifty Futures Chart in TradingView. Immediately search for Nifty in the top bar, pick the futures ticker ending with FUT, then choose a time frame that suits your trading style. Add common indicators like moving averages and RSI, adjust chart appearance, and save the layout so you can reopen it quickly. Use the watch list to monitor multiple expiries and switch between them with one click. Find the correct symbol by checking the exchange prefix and the FUT suffix to ensure you are on the futures contract, not the index. Choose a time frame, scalp on 1M or 5M, swing trade on 15M or daily, and align indicators to that time frame. Split the layout into 2 or 3 panes to compare intraday action with daily trends. Save template indicators and color settings to replicate setups across charts instantly. Add indicators like moving averages for trend direction and RSI for momentum confirmation, so your decisions align with market strength. For intraday trading, add VWAP or volume profile to spot real-time support and resistance. Customize colors and line thickness for clarity, then save the entire indicator template with a clear name. That allows quick application to new charts and consistent analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.